Happy holidays from KidSportsZone.com. I'm Jimmy Laram, and I'm in Anaheim, which is the home of the Anaheim Soccer Association, the largest youth soccer organization in Orange County. A couple of tournaments coming up. We have on December 10th and 11th, which is this weekend, we have the 28th annual Holiday Classics tournament. Now, Kids Sports Zone will be there providing media coverage, live media coverage, and you want to make sure that you pre-order your personalized package of media coverage. Go online to KidSportsZone.com and pre-order your package. That way you can be guaranteed that we will focus on your kid on that day and we can get that media coverage to you. Also, don't forget about January 21st and 22nd. It is the Rich Bailey Friendship Tournament, which is the only all-girls soccer tournament going to be hosted by, of course, the ASA. So you want to go to AnaheimSoccer.org, log on there to register for that tournament, and we'll see you at the games. So you're a fan of Anaheim Soccer Association, right?
Absolutely.